guys, hey y'all. So I'm gonna do this really quick. I should have done it last night, but I stayed up till like midnight trying to get this stuff done. This is a little bit of the party that I'm doing for Bubba, the space theme, planets, whatever you want to say. So here is my solar system. And before you say anything about Saturn or Jupiter not being here, I will explain in a minute. So here's all our little planets hanging, you know, my sun, the galaxy, which I got at Hobby Lobby. It's pretty cool, right? I got moon pies and Milky Way. I have some planets. We have a little bit of decoration for when you walk in. I made a little spaceship with his head coming out of it. Didn't do a lot of decorations. I did make a number 7 out of pictures. I have these really cute lollipops that I got from Oriental Trading. They're probably nasty, but hey, they go with my theme. Everything's still a mess. It's like 7 in the morning. I was up till midnight, and here's Jupiter, right? I got this little guy from Oriental Trading because it's the only thing with planets. This is what I used for Amelia's Peppa Pig party, except for the other side it's reversible and it was pink. So I was like, yes, this works. I have a number 7 candle and some sparkly thingies. I still have to finish cleaning the kitchen. I did just put the meatballs on to cook. Really quick with those, super simple, 3 pounds of meatballs. And 1.5 cups of grape jelly. I use this, and I got this one from Dollar Tree the other day, and I was really skeptical about using it, and I tasted it, and I'm like, holy cow, this tastes just like McDonald's grape jelly. So you have 1.5 cups of grape jelly, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and, let me pull them out of the garbage, 24 ounces of chili sauce. I used 2 of these bottles and I mixed it together. You can see I just mixed it together and I poured it over the meatballs. And they'll take, you know, a while to cook, so I'll stir them every once in a while. Oh, let me show you the other things really quickly. I'll talk about this. Let me show you. These guys were perfect little angels. You can barely see the hooks, right? Then it got to Jupiter, and I tried to hang Jupiter up. You can see that one. And he kept falling on me. And I'm like, why you gotta commit suicide, homie? Why? That's not cool. Let's go through here. Are always so dark. So I have another rocket ship that I glued to a stick. I'm gonna put it out in the front yard. Oh, I should have swept in here. But here is my wreath for the front door. And it looks 3D, right? Turn around, airplane. I mean spaceship. Let's see. But it's supposed to be like that. So I made the little wreath guy. Everything is kind of 3D, popping out at you. I thought it would be cute. If I can just get that guy to chill. So, like I was saying, I tried to get them to hang. I spent 3 hours getting all this stuff hung up, and they kept falling. And I was sitting here last night, and boom, Saturn fell. I was like, great. Then Jupiter fell. And I'm like, that's even better. So you know what? We're gonna have, Saturn is like a centerpiece, not centerpiece, but a table decoration. I'm gonna give him a little haircut in a minute. And then I'm gonna leave Jupiter over here just because I don't have anywhere for a giant ball. But I think it's because they're heavier. They're huge, so they're heavier. But anyway, nothing exciting going on except for birthday party. And I will do a quick video once everything is done. But as of right now, this is all we have. I will talk to you guys later. I made Rice Krispies, and I cut little stars out of them. I'm gonna put those, and my mother made earth cookies, which I'll show you those later. Hey y'all, okay, so look, you can't see it there. I figured I would just video this really quick to let you know. I didn't video anymore after the party started or right before because Bubba and Tom and his parents came over and I had a couple more things I had to get done and I didn't get a chance, which is like the first birthday I think that I've ever done that we really didn't take many pictures. It's still kind of up. I have taken everything else down, but figured I would say this really quick. I just took some pictures. I didn't video. I didn't have time to video. So I'm going to put the pictures in. If you can't really see it, I'm sorry. It sucks. But it's just a few things. You know, no big deal, just to show you my space theme party. Talk to you later.
Yes, you can.
Take a big breath.
No.
And aim towards the candle.
The 7, yes.
First 7.
Blow it harder.
He's afraid.
Okay, now try.
It's the
It's gonna get him. Bubba,
Bubba, it's like this, look.
don't put your teeth in the middle. Just. Bubba. Good job.
Yay!